Good morning, students. In previous class, we read 64 and 65 page of my elder brother. The elder brother, Bhaiya, is reading a book, and the younger one, Munna, is drawing picture of birds and animals. Then their conversation is start. Okay. When Munna asked, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing in the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Then Bhaiya replied, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. When Bhaiya replied to Munna that study in English is not child's play, he says that I studied even if you get a moment. You running to the field, start playing and chit chat with your friends. I don't study. So now let's see what happened next. Munna, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Bhaiya, have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey match? I don't go near them. I prefer to study a book. So now, what happened? Munna said, there is a mela in the village and should we go? So Bhaiya scolded him and said, have you ever seen me going to the fair or going to watching cricket match? Now, what his brother preferred was, he didn't want to see a cricket match or any fair, but he preferred instead of reading book. He said that, I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. He said that you are doing nothing. You are doing nothing. But you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass? If you waste your time playing all the time, you are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. Munna starts crying on being scolded and sobbing sounds. Va, ba, ba, who are here. So he said that you are doing nothing, you are simply wasting of father's hard-earned money. As Munna was scolded, he started crying. Munna, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya, now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. Now what happened? Munna started crying and he said that he wants to go home back because they lived in hostel. So Bhaiya said, no. He said he will make a timetable for Munna, and he has made a timetable. We will read the timetable now. "6 a.m. Wash your hand, have your breakfast and sit down to study. 6 to 8 a.m. English. 8 to 9 a.m. Maths. 9 to 9:30 a.m. History. 3 to 30 p.m. then off to school. 5 to 6 p.m. grammar. Half an hour for strolling. 6:30 to 7 p.m. English composition. Then dinner. 8 to 9 translation. 9 to 10 p.m. Hindi, and then 10 to 11 p.m. other subject, and then to bed. Okay, if we have a timetable in our life, we can do amazing things and we can achieve a great success. So you all also make a timetable for yourself. So this was the timetable Bhaiya made for Munna. What happened next? Let's read. Munna. But when is the time to play? Bhaiya. Play? What is the need, Munna? Munna. Oh, I love the green fields, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like the touch and go and who to sound of the kabaddi and the hurry and flurry of volleyball. Pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. So when Munna saw the timetable, he inquired that where is the playtime? So Bhaiya said, play? What is the need, Munna? Then Munna said, no. I love the green fields and I really want to play because I want to jump like football. I want to play volleyball. I want to play kabaddi. And as soon as I go on the field, I forget everything. I get very excited. So this was the end of the scene 1 now. I hope you all are understood it very well, scene 1. In next video, we will read scene 2. So thank you.